Hello, on. Happy Friday. We made it. Last Friday of the school year. So we're going to be working on it. All right. So we'll be working on watching another Ed puzzle. Sorry for that again, but it seems like they're pretty simple and straightforward as we're coming up on the end of the year here. And this one's on the Hathor-Scene. All right, but some update with housekeeping things. We decided to extend the uh, time for light work and redo. So I'll take it through Tuesday the 16th. So just make sure you keep submitting things through Google Classroom. So today's no longer the last day. Tuesday will be. Schoology will be open as well next week. All right, so click on the Ed puzzle and complete it. And here's your preview of the questions. One, what does it mean to say that collective learning has grown exponentially? So think of exponents in math class. Two, what are some of the reasons for so many people? What are some of the reasons so many people died in the 20th century? Three, how is the distribution of wealth today different from the distribution during the agrarian era? So that's going back thousands of years of the video will mention. Or hundreds of years, how is being in the top 10 to 20% different than it used to be? But make sure you get multiple parts there. What are some of the positive things about the Anthropocene, and what are some of the negatives? Five, what are the possible scenarios for the future? And six, what are some of the dangers of the 21st century? I hope all is well. Again, remember, if you have something, hand it in. Make sure you email and submit via Classroom. Otherwise, take care and enjoy the day.